Hey, it's Amy with WTI. To give the gift of creating music is priceless. The alto saxophone from Mendini by Cecilio was the perfect one for us to go with. They offer multiple colors. My son picked the black and gold. It's just gorgeous and impressive to look at. It's well built and it's got a quality weight to it, but not too heavy that a student would have a hard time carrying it. It literally comes with everything you need to get started. You get a nylon covered hard shell case with a lined interior to keep the instrument safe and protected. There's 10 2.5-inch reeds, gloves with a cloth to shine it up, a rod, and even a tuner. But what about the sound? That's what we all want to know, right? It sounds so beautiful. This is a wonderful instrument for someone who's just starting out, right up to an experienced player. We're really happy with it. It comes with everything that you need. It's eye-catching. It sounds lovely. We recommend this, and that's my point of view.